Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to charge your GoPro MAX2. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just got your GoPro MAX2 and you're wondering how to charge it because it's out of battery. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So in order to charge this, what you're first going to do is go onto the right side of the GoPro with the screen facing you, and you're going to go and slide this down, and it's going to pop open like that. Now over here, you're going to see a Type-C port. So you just need a Type-C cable, which looks like this. It's the kind of thicker one, and then you're just going to go ahead and plug it in. And once it's plugged in, you should see a red dot appear on your GoPro MAX2. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and charge your GoPro MAX2. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.